Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. Squarespace Action Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with the installation, reload the page. Search for the custom page of the app and click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have a smart view video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on Start Setup and you'll be required an API key to complete the configuration. Let's head to the account online which we created. Click on your settings. Then you click on Development Tools. Head over to Developer Keys and click on it. Click on Generate Key. You give a key name and toggle on the permission forms. Toggle on the products. Click on Others as well. Toggle on the inventory. Then you click on Generate the key. Copy your key, head back to the account and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully connected. We have a support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request for the team and as well schedule a one-on-one video session with the team. And the Changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.